Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can record transfers between your bank accounts or even between your cash or bank account on LessAccounting. To make a recording or record a transfer, we need to go through accounting section and there is subsection called transactions, or you can go through your dashboard and there is quick link already provided to transactions subsection. To record transfer, click on this button called transfer. And now we need to add details what this transfer relates to. So for example, I had made a transfer of £1,000 because I deposited £1,000 from my cash account into my bank account. So I need to select from which bank account. So in my case, it's in cash, from cash account. It's showing from which account. And I have deposited into my bank account, to account. I can add notes. I can say daily sales cash deposit and click save. Okay, so if I want to see list of all my transfers, click on transfers only and you will see entry information when amounts been transferred. So this is the way how you can record transfers between your money accounts on your LessAccounting. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my complete LessAccounting tutorial as well as review about this accounting software. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.